It's an interesting bit of parking. That's Lima Yankee 18 Alpha Uniform Romeo. It's a pretty stupid place to park. There's one there on the footpath. And we've got a bit of crap parking there. Foxtrot Golf 56 Whiskey Delta Lima. It's an interesting place to park. And we've got some crap parking there. Look at this one here, completely blocking the footpath. Inconsiderate. We've got some crap parking there. Golf Foxtrot 66 Juliet Yankee Lima. One on the pavement and one in the cycle lane. So a double dose of crap parking. One there on the pavement, Lima Alpha 25, Victor Golf Uniform. Oh, I see a whole lot of crap parking there. 1, 2, 3, a triple dose of crap parking. And we've got some crap parking there from our regular offender. Well, we've got a lot of parking spaces here and here and there, but this one would rather park in the middle of the road. Why do they do it? There's a white van parked in the middle of the road. Kimberley. Arsehole parked in our cycle lane. Delta Tango 69 Oscar Lima Papa. And we've got some crap parking on the double yellows, forcing traffic into the contraflow cycle lane. And we've got a dickhead parked in our cycle lane. And we've got some parking there. And one parked on the footpath there. And we've got a bit of crap parking there. And there we have a professional driver who doesn't understand that he's not allowed to park in a cycle lane on a red route. And there's a double bill of crap parking there. Wow, now that is a lot of crap parking. And that's a clever bit of parking right in the middle of the road. Why do they do it? Fucking hell. Look at this absolute bellend blocking the cycle path. Twat. And there's a bit of crap parking there. And there's another bit of crap parking there. Parked on the pavement. It's car boss, that is. Parked in a cycle lane on a red route. What a dick. And there we have a double dose of crap park. Oh, come on. Bloody idiots.